Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video from JM Motors Unlimited. Today I'm going to be doing some work on my truck. I am working on Bondo in the door. Had a lot of rust in the bottom of the door, and we took and made patch panels and welded them in. Cut out the rust and welded in new patch panels. And I'm going to be Bondoing over those because we're not very good at it and we didn't get them very smooth. So I'm just going to be Bondoing over those. And then I'll have the passenger side, I believe. Yeah, this is the passenger side door. The driver's side's still on it. I have the passenger side door almost completely done. I'll show you. We already did one here. I'll put some Bondo over it. It needs a little more work though. And we did one here and here. And all of this along the bottom here is real rough. So I'm gonna be Bondoing like all along like here. So it's gonna be a pretty good bit. Got a little bubble right here, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe I'll take one of my hammers and hit it down a little bit. And I'll have to finish sanding this along the top. I got a lot of it done. I need to come back with some finer grits and get that done a little smoother and get it all smoothed out and get it bondoed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and show y'all how it comes. So I got the first layer of Bondo on. I tried not to put it on too thick, but it's definitely going to need some more in some places like here and here, and probably a little along the bottom and stuff and around the edges. But I went ahead and put the first coat on, and I kind of just dusted it with some primer, and that'll help you see the high spots and the low spots. So I'm going to go ahead and work on sanding it. I got that pretty well sanded down. Got a big low spot here where there was a big dent, and here. And this isn't low, but it's flat. It's supposed to be rounded, but this is flat. So I'm gonna have to put some more in this and build it up in the middle. And I got a high spot here, a little bit here, 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 and here, and a little one here. So I'm gonna probably put some more fill here and in all the little low spots and look at it, and after I get it sanded a little bit, and if it looks like that's high and instead of the rest of it being low, I'm gonna take my hammer and kind of tap them a little bit and try to get them down and then get it smooth. But if that's right, if it looks like that's going to be right and everything else is low, then I'm going to bring everything up with a little fill. But I'm probably going to end up having to get some more. This is just a quart I bought. I've already used almost half of it. So, but that's where I'm at now. I'm not sure how much more I'm going to be able to get done tonight, but I'm gonna get done as much as I can and try to get the rest done tomorrow.
So it's about a week later now, maybe a little more, since the last part of this video, and I haven't got the door quite done. Like, it's basically done. There's just a couple little rough spots I have to sand out, but it's basically done. So I'm gonna show it to you. I got part of it primed, but there's just a little bit down here on this side I've got to sand out, like right there. Can't really see it on camera, but then the whole door will be completely done. I'll be ready to take the other one off. But the reason it's not finished right now is because right now it's like 39 degrees. We got a thermometer up there. It's like 39 degrees, and it's been below freezing for like the past 3 days. And so I can't really do any bondoing or anything in the freezing, nor do I want to. So it's pretty cold, and I'm not used to it because it's usually like cold for us is like 40. Like right now I'm freezing. But it's super wet and super humid and cold, so haven't really been out here working on much. And so that's why I haven't got it finished. But I figured I'd just go ahead and finish up the video and show it to y'all. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to sand out a few little scuffs and scratches from having it sitting on the sawhorses on the back side too, probably, but not too bad on the back. But I've got it all primed, so probably the next video I make of my truck will be getting the other door off. So y'all gonna stay tuned for that, and y'all can also go watch my 3-wheeler videos. Got my 250X in here, still working on it, and that's my brother's motorcycle. But I've kind of been working on a 250 a little bit because not really anything else I can do, but not a whole lot. But hopefully next few days it's supposed to warm up to like in the 50s and 60s. So hopefully I'll be able to get the door completely done and out of here and put where it won't get messed up, and I'll be able to start working on the other door. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope it was helpful to you, maybe give you some ideas about yours, or if you just enjoyed watching it. So you can also go check out my other videos, my 3-wheeler videos and stuff, and you can go check out JM Motors Unlimited on Facebook and Instagram. I've got Facebook and Instagram accounts where I just do pictures and stuff like that. It's a lot easier than doing the YouTube videos. But y'all can go check those out. And please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if there's any questions or anything you'd like to see. And thanks for watching.